New York City is massive, and if you're unfamiliar with its transportation system, you might find yourself lost, frustrated, and spending way more money than you need to. Should you hop on the subway, hail a taxi, ride the bus, or is there a secret local method that tourists don't even know about? Here's the quick truth. The subway is the fastest and most budget-friendly way to get around NYC. For short trips, walking or biking might actually be even better. And yes, there's a hidden hack most tourists miss entirely. Hang in there, we'll get to that soon. Now, let's dive into the city's transit system and explore how it all began. The NYC Subway opened its doors in 1904 and has grown into one of the busiest systems in the world. Yellow cabs came along in the 1920s to bring some order to the chaotic taxi scene. And here's something most visitors overlook. The Staten Island Ferry is completely free and gives you stunning views of the Statue of Liberty. So why does New York have so many transportation choices, and how do you know which one is right for you? Let's break it all down. The subway is the city's backbone. It's cheap, runs 24/7, and connects the entire city with over 470 stations across more than 30 lines. You can still use the classic MetroCard, but the city is transitioning to a faster, tap-and-go system called OMNY. If you're staying for a week or more, an unlimited MetroCard might save you some serious cash. One of the biggest mistakes tourists make on the subway is hopping on an express train without realizing it. Express trains skip stops, so if you're not careful, you might end up miles away from where you meant to go. There's also a hidden piece of NYC history below ground. The City Hall station is a breathtaking abandoned station that looks like it belongs in a movie, arched ceilings, skylights, and old-school charm. It was shut down in the 1940s because its curved design couldn't handle modern trains. To ride like a local, avoid the Times Square station during rush hours unless you enjoy getting stuck in a crowd. Early mornings and late evenings are your best bets for a smooth ride. And if you're traveling late at night, always wait on busy platforms and check the live subway map to plan your trip safely. Now what about buses and taxis? Buses are good for neighborhoods where subways don't reach, but the traffic can be a nightmare. The price is the same as the subway, and both MetroCard and OMNY work here too. As for taxis, yellow cabs are perfect for quick trips, but rideshare apps like Uber or Lyft might save you money during off-peak hours. If you're headed to JFK, make sure you ask for the flat fare in advance. It's way cheaper than paying by the meter. Looking for a different kind of ride? City Bike is one of the city's best-kept secrets. You can rent a bike for just a few bucks and drop it off anywhere across the city. It's fast, flexible, and fun. E-scooters are speedy, but they can get pricey fast. And pedicabs, they're more of a tourist trap with outrageous rates. Helicopter rides, on the other hand, offer the ultimate NYC experience if you're willing to splurge. The cost can range from $150 to $300, but the views are unforgettable. Then there's the ferry system. The Staten Island Ferry is totally free and gives you one of the best skyline views you'll ever see. If you're looking to escape traffic, the East River Ferry is a great option too. It's fast, scenic, and surprisingly efficient. Let's talk bridges. The Brooklyn Bridge is iconic, but always packed. For a more peaceful experience and better skyline shots, try the Manhattan Bridge instead. If you're flying in, choosing the right airport makes a big difference. JFK is best for international flights. LaGuardia is closest to Manhattan. Newark has great train connections and is often more convenient than it sounds. Want a secret? Teterboro Airport isn't used by commercial airlines but is perfect for private jet reroutes or last-minute changes. When it comes to airport transfers, here's how to save. From JFK, take the AirTrain and connect to the subway. The whole trip costs around $12. From Newark, the AirTrain and NJ Transit combo is your cheapest and fastest bet into Manhattan. Let's wrap this up with a few smart tips. If you're visiting for less than 4 days, OMNY is your best friend. Tap and go with your phone or card. Staying longer? Go for the unlimited MetroCard and ride worry-free. Want to save on attractions? CityPass gives you up to 40% off the city's top spots. Go City lets you build your own discount bundle for even more flexibility. Here's one last insider hack. Many luxury hotels open their rooftop bars and lounges to the public. You don't have to be a guest to enjoy the view. Just walk in confidently and grab a drink like a local. Now that you know how to move through the city like a New Yorker, you're ready to explore with confidence. Whether you're taking the subway, biking over the bridge, or gliding in on a ferry, this city's got a ride for every mood and moment. And that hidden travel hack we mentioned, it's all about mixing it up. Don't stick to just one method. Combine subway rides, bike rentals, ferry trips, and good old-fashioned walking to experience the real rhythm of New York. You're not just visiting NYC anymore. You're moving through it like a local.